Do you worry about running out of charge in your electric vehicle? You're not alone. But what if I told you there are simple solutions to this common EV concern? Stick around to learn how to overcome range anxiety and enjoy worry-free electric driving. Range anxiety is one of the biggest concerns among EV drivers. It's that constant fear of running out of charge before reaching your destination. But why does this happen? Factors like driving habits, cold weather, and even overloading your car can drastically affect your EV's range. Misconceptions about charging infrastructure also play a big role. Apps like PlugShare and ChargePoint help you locate charging stations along your route. Charging your EV overnight ensures you start the day with a full battery. Additionally, fast chargers can give you a significant boost in under an hour. Consider upgrading to newer models with extended ranges, which are becoming more affordable. Make use of regenerative braking to recapture energy while driving. Regular battery checkups and maintaining optimal tire pressure can significantly improve efficiency. Silent watching can let valuable content fade away. By subscribing and liking this video, you'll help it reach more people who might benefit from it. Range anxiety doesn't have to hold you back. With the right tools and habits, you can unlock the full potential of your electric vehicle. What's your biggest EV challenge? Drop it in the comments and let's solve it together.